Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another trade breakdown video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be going over my GBP/JPY short position taken during London session on Tuesday, and we're also going to be going over my Nas100 short position taken during New York session. So I just want to say, guys, before the video starts, I'm very proud of myself, man, for the development and the growth that I am showing. Yeah, I'm just very grateful for this opportunity, man, to be able to use this skill set to change my life. So I want to go ahead and get right into this GJ setup, guys. So before I even go into the charts, I want you guys to look right here in my Telegram chat. I sent out my analysis for GBP/JPY. I don't do signals. I don't do none of that, guys. So don't even take that as a signal. I don't do signals. I was just sharing what I was seeing in the markets. On August 5th was on Saturday. I sent out my analysis for GJ. I was expecting GJ to go to the downside. So I came into this week with a what, guys? I already came into this week with a bias. I already knew what I should be looking for. I didn't want to see longs. I wasn't going to take any longs if I was, presented that. I only wanted to see short positions. So let's just get that clear before I go into the analysis. So coming into my charts with the narrative that, hey, we're bearish. GJ is trying to go to the downside to go collect sell side liquidity. I wanted to see price run inside of a higher time frame PD array. Well, Ron, what's your higher time frame PD array? Well, my higher time frame PD array is a 8-hour bearish order block. As you guys see right here on the 15-minute time frame, price came inside of an 8-hour bearish order block. What happens once price comes inside of a bearish order block, or what happens once price comes inside of a higher time frame PD array? What confirmations do you wait for, Ron? Well, I wait for price to show a breaker structure. Okay, so where's your breaker structure at there, Ron? Right here, imbalance. They got rebalance. We had a market structure shift, breaker structure. If I'm bullish, I do not want to see this broken. We broke it with the 2 a.m. London open off the rip. So we opened up with London session at 2 a.m. We closed below. This is going to be a break and market structure. Okay, Ron, well, where's your entry at? Well, what's the first PD array you see? We have a nice 15-minute order block. What is these last two up close candles? Last two up close candles. Price already ran liquidity. We already had a break or market structure. So these last two up close candles are going to be my what? My bearish order block. That's the first PD array. So my entry was right here. The moment price came inside of this bearish order block, I took my entry here. Stop goes above this old high. We moved away. My second PD array that I had was another 15-minute bearish order block. This last up close candle here, consistent down close candles with displacement again. Price came back up to the mean threshold equilibrium of that move here. Moved away. And now I'm going to go to my 5-minute time frame here. I'm going to show you guys this 5-minute fair value gap that I didn't take, but I had marked out, and it's still marked out on my screen here. So right here at 4:05, I wanted to see if price can dig inside of this fair value gap. And as you can see, price absolutely respected the fair value gap to the T. We did not have any body closures outside of my fair value gap. And as you can see, I took profits the moment price came below this low right here. And that was a very nice market maker sell model for GBP/JPY. I did make a withdraw with this setup also. I'm gonna show you guys right here because I don't want to hear anybody talking about, oh, he's lying. None of that. As you guys see right here, this is my like I say, I did take this trade on a Hanko live trade. So right here, guys, I did do a withdraw request. Now I will post, the confirmation of my withdraw in my community tab. Right now, I'm still waiting for my withdraw to be sent to me. As you guys see right here, congratulations, Ron. They're not going to say this on the demo account. You're not even going to be able to, withdraw the demo. So let's go ahead and go into my second trade here. But before I move on, once again, guys, price came inside of a higher time frame PD array. We came inside of an 8-hour bearish order block. We had a 15-minute breaker structure. Imbalance. They got rebalance. I don't want to see it broken if I'm bullish. We took it out. That means we're not bullish. Price came back up to the first PD array, 15-minute OB, last two up close candles, consistent down close candles with displacement. First PD array respected. Price moved away. We came back to the second PD array, 15-minute equilibrium order block. Second PD array respected. And we, like I say, guys, to end it off, we had a 5-minute fair value gap right here to make the third PD array respected, and we delivered to the downside. So let's go ahead and go into my NASDAQ setup here. Now, I'm going to be honest and transparent. Yes, this was taken on a demo account. Price did not come to the zone that I wanted it to, but I knew that we was going to see lower prices for NASDAQ. So let me go ahead and get the executions out because I don't want to hear anything. Let's go here, trading, live executions right here. It should be on the screen. Boom, right here. Okay, so let's go right here. Let's delete this right here. All right. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, so right here, guys, on this setup here, I want to see NASDAQ go to the downside here. I was expecting lower prices. I did also call this out in my Telegram chat. Also, I said the NASDAQ was going to be seeing lower prices here. We're at a higher time frame premium market. So right here, guys, you can see we had this 7 a.m. fair value gap that got respected. And I'm going to be honest. I wanted price to come up to this 1 hour OB. This is why I did not get inside of this trade on the live account, because I wanted to see price come up all the way up inside of this 1 hour OB. Now, I was being too perfect here. I wanted to try to be perfect because I had a nice London session. And yeah, I just missed out on this setup. Price didn't come all the way up inside of it. So I just ended up taking it on a demo account, just to show that, hey, prices is going to go to the downside. So yeah, as you guys see right here, guys, like I say, we had this nice 7 a.m. fair value gap that got respected. My expectations were to the downside, but I wanted to see price come above this midnight opening price at 8:30. And I wanted to see this PD array 1 hour order block tapped inside, and then we delivered, but it did not do that. But nonetheless, I was still inside of this setup, and you guys can see it still is dropping to the ground. So yeah, guys, that's really it, man. That's it for me for the week. I'm pretty much 2-0, 1-0 on a live account, 1-0 on a demo account. So I'm very, very, very grateful for this week. Very, very, very grateful for this, this skill set. It is CPI week, so I will not be doing too much entering. I definitely will not be doing too much of live trading on my funded accounts. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys, learned something from me. And as always, trade safely. I'm gonna catch you guys in this video, man. Peace out.